Welcome to the Honolulu Survival Guide, your go-to resource for making the most out of your trip to a tropical paradise. Before we dive into the must-do activities, let's avoid some financial mistakes before we get into the must-do activities that could make your dream holiday a nightmare for your money. Mistake number 1. Lack of foresight. Make prior plans for lodging and activities to guarantee a stress-free travel experience. This not only saves you money, but it also gives you more time to enjoy all that Honolulu has to offer. Mistake number 2 was overspending on food. Though Honolulu's excellent seafood is irresistible, stay away from costly tourist traps. Choose your neighborhood food trucks and markets to enjoy tasty, affordable selections that don't sacrifice flavor. Mistake number 3, ignoring free attractions. Honolulu offers free cultural attractions, hiking routes, and beautiful beaches. Find these hidden treasures to improve your trip without breaking the bank. Mistake number 4. Neglecting public transportation. Don't pay the high parking and auto rental rates. Alternatively, take advantage of the economical and effective transit system or rent a bike for a cost-effective and environmentally responsible mode of transportation. Mistake number 5. Missing out on travel deals. Subscribe to newsletters and follow airline, hotel, and tour operator social media accounts to stay informed. Taking advantage of the finest deals and discounts can have a big influence on your total spending. Remember, you can turn your Honolulu vacation into an inexpensive adventure with a little bit of planning ahead and judicious spending. So, gather your belongings and get ready for a fantastic trip to paradise. I appreciate you listening, and please subscribe for more travel tips. Happy travels!